Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. I am a New York City based creative, and today I am going to show you a video on a behind the scenes of one of my FaceTime photo shoots. So this is a trend that's been going around since this pandemic has started for photographers, since we can't physically go out and shoot with our clients or our friends. A few of us have been doing these FaceTime photo shoots, and it's something super creative and you can do right from your home wherever you are in the world. I'm going to show you the process of everything from beginning to the end. So from picking out locations with your model to actually shooting it and then editing and then delivering. So I hope this gives you some inspiration on some shoots you can do at home, and let's get started. I like to first start out by creating a Pinterest board shared with the model, and this one's going to be an at-home shoot. So the locations are going to be in her bedroom and living room. It's going to be super casual. We'll be doing 3 looks, and this is just a great thing to have just so we're both on the same page and we know the type of vibe that we're going for the shoot. And it's also great if we get a little stuck during the middle of the shoot and we just need a little inspiration to pick us back up.
Okay. Do I look any clearer?
Yes.
Okay. I think we should be good.
Perfect. Cute. Have you do a few looking away. Perfect. Let's do some just like playing with your hair, so like moving your hair a bit. Cute. Alright, I'm gonna have you just standing in front of the camera with your bag and kind of just swinging it. I'm gonna say bring the chair forward and then sit on it, but maybe like lower the tripod so it's like leveled at you. Yeah, perfect. Cute. Alright, let's do a few like holding the bag towards the camera. Yeah, and a little lower, kind of like in the middle. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Ooh, let's do one of you facing, I guess it's your left. No, you're right. Sorry. Wait, no, the other way. Alright, so after the photo shoot is done, I import all my images into Lightroom and then select all the good photos and then delete all the bad ones. So the bad ones are just going to be the blurry ones that are like the in-between weird shots with like the weird faces. So we don't want those. So those just get deleted, and then we start editing. So I have my own presets that I've created that I'm going to be using on these photos. My editing style is very airy and bright, as you can see right here. I'm just going to be adjusting a few of the settings just so it looks better on this photo. And since these images weren't taken with a DSLR camera, which is what I normally shoot with, the quality is a lot lower. So I'm going to amp up the smoothness and the luminance, and also amp up the grain because I'm going for a vintagey vibe, and also it's going to hide a lot of the imperfections and blurriness of the photo from the screenshots. Once I get the perfect edit for the first image, then I go and copy that and then paste to all of the others, and then of course adjust accordingly to the photos if it needs any adjusting. That is all I do in Lightroom, and then I just export them and then transfer them to my phone. Once everything is in my phone, I open the Tezza app, which is another editing software that I use for photo and video, and then I do a few more adjustments just to make things look a little better on my phone, and then I will add a lot more green on this app and then add the dust effects, which makes it a lot more vintagey and more retro looking. Once I'm done cropping and editing on that image, I'm going to copy and paste that edit onto all of the other images on my phone. For delivery, I like to use a platform called Pixieset. It's super user-friendly, and I just upload all my images to this website, and anyone can download with the specific link that I send them. So it's super easy, and I love how these photos turned out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. I really had fun filming it and doing the shoot with Carly. I am actually offering these for a super low price. If you've ever wanted to shoot with me, now's your chance. It's obviously a different type of photo shoot, and obviously the images are not going to be as high quality as how you normally shoot with me, but it's a super fun way to get creative, get out of your box, and just do something fun during this quarantine. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. I'm gonna be trying to post more YouTube videos from now on. It's a goal of mine. I've always wanted to start, so this is my start. But yeah, on Instagram, make sure to go follow me. It's @SomeShellyPhotography, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.